In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo in Clickup. Clickup is a powerful project management tool designed to help you stay organized and efficient. But we all know how easy it is to accidentally delete a task or make a mistake while managing your projects. That's why it's so important to know how to undo actions and recover deleted tasks quickly. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll walk you through the simple process of deleting tasks in Clickup, how to undo deletions immediately, and what to do if you miss the undo option. Let's get started. First, to delete a task in Clickup, hover your mouse over the left side of the task you want to remove. Pay close attention to the task list view, and as you move your mouse to the left side of the task, you'll notice a checkbox appears. Click on that checkbox to select the task. If you want to delete multiple tasks at the same time, you can simply click the checkboxes next to any additional tasks you'd like to include. This allows you to manage several deletions at once. Once you've selected the task or tasks you want to delete, look for the delete option. This is usually represented by a trash can icon or labeled directly as delete. Click on it to proceed. At this point, ClickUp will prompt you to confirm the deletion. Be sure to review the confirmation message and make sure you're ready to permanently delete the task or tasks before clicking to confirm. Now, if you realize you've accidentally deleted a task and want to undo the action immediately, there's a quick and easy way to restore it. After you delete a task in ClickUp, keep an eye on the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see an undo pop-up appear for a short time. Click on that undo pop-up right away, and the task will be restored instantly to its original location. This is the fastest way to recover a deleted task. But what happens if you miss that undo pop-up or don't notice it in time? Don't worry. There's another way to recover your tasks. Start by clicking on your profile icon, which you'll find in the top right corner of your ClickUp dashboard. This will open a menu where you'll need to select the option labeled Trash. Once you're in the Trash section, you'll see a list of all the tasks that have been deleted. Scroll through the list until you locate the task you want to recover. When you find it, look for the three dots, sometimes called the More Options menu, next to the task. Click on these three dots and then select Restore from the menu options. This will return the task to its original location in your workspace, making it as if it was never deleted in the first place. If you don't already have a ClickUp account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and start organizing your work today. And that's it. You now know how to delete tasks in ClickUp, how to undo deletions instantly, and how to recover tasks from the trash if needed. If you follow these steps, you can confidently manage your tasks without worrying about accidental deletions. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.